Enter the stars, and I've got some questions. Why are the two presidential candidates of the United States related to a man named John of Gaunt, 19th cousins? And why is this man, this John of Gaunt, why was he born on March 6th, the 66th day of the year with 299 left? And why is Hillary Clinton, who is also related to John Gaunt and Trump, why was she born on the 299th day of the year with 66 remaining? And lastly, why is Donald Trump born on the 166th day of the year with 199 remaining, the same Donald Trump that's related to Hillary and John Gaunt? And last but not least, why is John Gaunt's name and a peculiar fictitious cough mentioned in this book, The Adventures of John Gaunt, Duke of Lancaster, the same John Gaunt that is related to the Hillary Clinton with some kind of fictitious cough, who was born on these 6699 synchronistic dates that are shared with Trump and John Gaunt? A book that was written in 1700s, right around the time that John Gaunt lived. A fictitious cough, when seasonably introduced, contributes to render one both interesting and venerable, and is, as it were, an indication of steady thoughts. And last but not least, why is John Gaunt's name mentioned in this study about tuberculosis? The UK government has begun to respond to the renewed threat of tuberculosis. The report I'm waiting for is its contribution to the study of tuberculosis internationally. Just as no man is an island sufficient of himself, so no island is an island in infectious terms. The protective moat we are ringed with against infection in the land and the hand of war, so eloquently described by John of Gaunt and Richard II, offers no defense against tuberculosis. Take care and be safe, you guys.